normally, I'm not really a whipped cream person, but if it has Bailey's in it, you can put Bailey's on poop and I'll eat it. Just kidding. Hi, welcome back to Cocktails with Coco. Today we're going to be doing a very special cocktail. Well, it's not really very special, but it's going to be St. Patrick's Day theme. We're going to be making a brown sugar Irish coffee. Well, iced coffee. What we're going to be using today is I made some whipped cream. It has Bailey's vanilla bean paste, heavy whipping cream, brown simple syrup, brown sugar simple syrup, just brown sugar and water, boil it down, Starbucks cold brew. This is a Kilburn Irish whiskey. I've never had it before, but Total Wine kept shoving it down my throat. I was going in there for Jameson, and I was like, you know what? Let's not be a basic bitch. We're gonna try something new. So, I don't know if it's good, but it has like 91 points, so I'm guessing it's good. Then we'll be doing Bailey's. There's other different types of Irish cream, but I'm a bougie bitch, so we're gonna go with Bailey's because that's what we know, and then half and half. You can put this in any type of cup you like. I just thought this would be super cute. I'm gonna fill this up with ice. Fill it up with ice. Then we're gonna put some of our brown sugar simple syrup in here. As much as you like. I don't like a lot of sugar in my stuff. Do that. Then we're gonna do about a half a shot. 1, 2, Bailey's. And then we're gonna do, let's do a half a shot of this too. 1, 2. It's more than a half a shot. Oopsie. And then some of our cold brew. A wee bit of half and half. Go ahead and mix this up with our straws. And then we're gonna top with our whipped cream. Now normally I'm not really a whipped cream person, but if it has Bailey's in it, you can put Bailey's on poop and I'll eat it. Just kidding. But Bailey's does make everything good. Oh my god. How cute is this, you guys? Okay, let's try it. Ooh. This is fucking bomb. Okay, this is dangerous because it doesn't even taste like alcohol. That's bomb. Do you guys feel like, I guess because it's a pandemic and we're not supposed to be partying and going out, I feel like no one's celebrating St. Patrick's Day and everyone's just skipped over to Easter because that's more like family friendly? I don't know, like you guys tell me, put down in the comments. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share with the homies. Cheers.